ISO 17034:2015 is a standard developed by the International Organization for Standardization, ISO, that outlines the general requirements for the competence of reference material producers. It replaces the previous version of the standard, ISO Guide 34:2009, and aims to provide a more comprehensive framework for the production and certification of reference materials. Reference materials are materials that have been characterized for one or more properties and can be used to calibrate instruments, validate methods, or assess measurement uncertainty. The use of reference materials is essential for ensuring the accuracy and comparability of measurements in a wide range of fields, including chemical, environmental, and clinical analysis. ISO 17034:2015 provides a set of requirements that reference material producers must meet in order to demonstrate their competence in producing reliable and accurate reference materials. These requirements include defining the scope of the reference material production process and documenting it in a quality manual, establishing and maintaining a quality management system that meets the requirements of ISO 9001. Ensuring the competence of personnel involved in the reference material production process. Ensuring traceability of measurement results and reference materials to national or international standards. Implementing a process for selecting, characterizing, and homogenizing raw materials. Validating production processes and ensuring the stability of reference materials over time. Providing users with information on the intended use, properties, and uncertainties of reference materials. Accreditation to ISO 17034:2015 involves a process of assessment by an accreditation body, such as the National Accreditation Board, NAB, in Ghana, or the United Kingdom Accreditation Service, UKAS, in the UK. The assessment involves a review of the reference material producer's quality manual, procedures, and records, as well as an on-site audit to verify that the requirements of the standard are being met. Once accredited, reference material producers can use the ISO 17034:2015 accreditation mark to demonstrate their competence and quality to potential customers. The benefits of ISO 17034:2015 accreditation include improved competence in the accuracy and reliability of reference materials, leading to improved measurement accuracy and comparability. Improved customer confidence in the competence and quality of the reference material producer. Access to new markets and customers that require ISO 17034:2015 accreditation for their reference material suppliers. Improved internal processes and quality management through the implementation of ISO 17034:2015 requirements. Increased international recognition and acceptance of reference materials produced by accredited organizations. Potential customers of ISO 17034:2015 accredited reference material producers include laboratories, regulatory bodies, and industry organizations that require reliable and accurate reference materials for their testing and measurement activities. These customers may be located both nationally and internationally, and may require reference materials for a wide range of applications, including environmental monitoring, food safety, and clinical testing. In summary, ISO 17034:2015 provides a comprehensive framework for the production and certification of reference materials, and accreditation to this standard can provide numerous benefits to reference material producers, including improved customer confidence, increased market access, and improved internal processes. Potential customers of ISO 17034:2015 accredited reference material producers include a wide range of organizations that require reliable and accurate reference materials for their testing and measurement activities.